In this example, we're going to take a look at some of the new features in Export Kit version 126, and one of them being paragraph. So if we open up EK 126512, this is our paragraph example. Now, the basics of paragraph is what it requires is a P tag. A P tag is one of our new features in version 126. What this will do is render your paragraph as is, and you can see right here we have 3 individual paragraph blocks. And what we've done in each paragraph block is we've basically assigned individual styles to each element. We can note this if we just open the character styles. You can see that here this is just regular. Here this actually has bold and underline. And if we just slide this over, you'll see here we have strike. Here we have a different color. This is actually a different font, and we also have another color here along with underline. Now, if we take a look at one of the other paragraphs, you'll see here what we have is basically a different line height in the actual text itself. You'll see the entire region, it's 30 pixels. But what we've done within the actual paragraph block is that we've also used different styles to actually render this block. And this is similar again with the third. Now, you'll note the difference that this is actually paragraph text. You can see this because of the way that Photoshop outlines it, versus label text here, where there is no actual outline for the sizing. It's just rendering the text as is based on the actual size of the characters. Now, if we were to export this, what we'll get is this entire output basically rendered as is. So let's just go ahead and do that. Now, there are no special features that you need to do for paragraph text. You just basically need to have the P tag. So we can go ahead and just open an HTML5 render. Now, basically, we're going to include layer effects, although there is none. It's just the title, and we're going to include relative positions. So let's just go ahead. Once the export is complete, what we can do is take a look at our output. And if we open up our HTML5 folder and we look at paragraph, you'll see that it actually rendered the entire paragraph as is from Photoshop. What it will do is actually use spans to denote this, and basically because you're using a paragraph, this is inline style, so the spans will actually come in line with their properties. But you can see it will render your entire Photoshop file as is using our new paragraph tag.